Navidad!
Hi, I am Doobie.
Hi, I am Doobop.
We are the monsters Doobie Doobop. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Doobop, soon it's Christmas. Why are you giggling?
I have something to say to you, Doobie.
What is it?
Merry Christmas!
I was going to say it first.
Sorry, I'm as fast as lightning.
Then try this. Feliz Navidad.
What?
Feliz Navidad. This is also a Christmas greeting.
What are you saying? Christmas greeting is like this. Merry Christmas!
This is also right. Feliz Navidad.
What does that mean anyway?
It means, I am not sure.
Woo-hoo! Ho-ho! Feliz Navidad! It means Merry Christmas!
Oh, Santa Claus!
Oh, really? Feliz Navidad also means Merry Christmas?
Whoa, that's right! Spanish-speaking people say Feliz Navidad on Christmas Day!
I see. See? Told ya.
Ooh, oh, yes! And there's a song named Feliz Navidad as well, right, Mr. Jukebox?
Yes. Wow, it sounds fun.
Please play it for us. We want to listen. Please.
Okay, we'll play it for you.
Yahoo! With Doobie.
And Doobop.
And Santa, too!
And with Mr. Jukebox.
Let's sing carols. Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Kids English School.
Kidstalk